Hi class, this week we will be going over your TypeFocus assessment that you completed earlier during the assessment. To retrieve your result, you will go ahead and go to typefocus.com. Similar to how you log in to take the assessment, you will do the same to retrieve your results. Go ahead and click on Login. Once you are inside your account, you will see that your result has been released. Go ahead and click on the personality assessment results. You have the ability to print, or you can read about your results inside the website itself. As you can see here, my personality result is displayed here, and it's given a general description of my personality results, 1 out of the 16 types that it is described in our manual. Then it gives me a summary of my careers. On the right hand side here, you will see that there is a preference clarity graph, and it shows where I stand for my MBTI dimension. For introversion, I am somewhat introverted. For sensing, I am very clear, so I am high on this dimension. For feeling, I am also very clear on this dimension. And for judging, I am clear. So as explained in last week's, that the dichotomy or the dimension on the MBTI or the Myers-Briggs questionnaire indicator allow us to understand our preferences, how we recharge our energy, how we make sense of the world, etc. There is no one dimension that is better than the other. So the TypeFocus assessment that you completed gives you the results of your personality preferences on the 4 dimension. Feel free to read more about your type, your personality type, in our manual to understand more about your preferences. So after you've finished reading your personality results, you can also read about your success questionnaire that you completed. So you can go back and go to my account. And you will see that there is a check next to the success factors questionnaire that you completed. You can print the report, or you can read each section here. So the success factor results allows you to understand about your self-assessment in terms of your assessment of accepting responsibility, willing to complete tasks, your self-esteem, your general health, your time management, reaching out to others when you need help, your social support, how easily it is that you can make friends, your commitment to campus life events, external commitments, and your goal persistence, how persistent you are when it comes to goal making or goal setting. So as you can see here that I printed out my results, and it's pretty comprehensive. For each topic, it gives you your score on a range from strongly disagree to strongly agree. For each of the questions that you answer, it will give you the score for each. Then there is a summary comments about your results, about your score, then recommendation. You will see the same score range for each of the topic. The recommendation section is very important to read so that you can strategize and come up with best practice to improve in each of these areas. All right, class, and that is how you interpret the success factor results.